Liyang is a famous historical city with a beautiful landscape and a profound culture. Located at the Yangtze River Delta, Liyang has special regional advantages and enjoys the reputation of a city of modernized production and manufacturing with its developed industry. Liyang is conveniently accessible with the Ninghang high-speed railway passing through the territory. Nanjing International Airport is 60 kilometers away from Liyang, and Shanghai is at a distance of 230 kilometers. Founded in 2000, Liyang City Double Horse Plastic Textile Company Limited. It is located in Daibei Industrial Cluster of Liyang, occupying an area of 56,600 square meters and possessing modern standard workshops of 42,000 square meters, and offers area for 3,600 square meters, including well-facilitated R&D building, office area, and a living area, with a total asset of 300 million yuan. Double Horse is a modern manufacturer of PVC, NBR, TPE yoga fitness mat, PVC PU floor mat, and anti-fatigue mat, integrating research and development, production, logistics, and design. In the 17 years since its foundation, Double Horse has developed dozens of types of yoga mat, floor mat, and anti-fatigue mat in 5 categories and with 4 material, which are exported to Europe, America, East Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia, the Middle East, and a majority of countries in the world. The company has passed ISO 9001-2008 quality control and ISO 14001-2004 environment management accreditation. Outstanding quality is essential for reputation. Liyang City Double Horse Plastic Textile Company Limited, as the well-known leading enterprise in the field of yoga mat, floor mat, and anti-fatigue mat in China, will keep going ahead positively and aggressively.
公司自创建以来，严格秉承开拓创新、严谨务实、追求卓越企业精神，将企业价值观和经营理念传递给每一位员工，塑造出一支具有高度凝聚力和技术精湛的员工队伍。其中资深国外技术工程师2名，国内高级工程师3名，技术力量雄厚，欢迎广大客户来我公司洽谈合作。
Liyang City Double Horse Plastic Textile Company Limited is well equipped and has a complete detection technology and a quality insurance system. 3 production lines of PVC yoga mat, floor mat, and anti-fatigue mat. 1 line of NBR yoga fitness mat. 2 lines of PU anti-fatigue mat, as well as supporting equipment of cutting, laminating, punching, and side pressing. The annual output consists of 4 million pieces of PVC yoga mat, 1 million pieces of NBR yoga fitness mat, 1 million pieces of PVC floor anti-fatigue mat, and 1.2 million pieces of PU anti-fatigue mat. The annual production value is $15 million. Liyang City Double Horse Plastic Textile Company Limited has a full range in the variety of yoga mat, floor mat, and anti-fatigue mat, and is able to produce most yoga mat, floor mat, and anti-fatigue mat in market independently. In the 21st century, the society is developing rapidly and dramatically, with the improvement of quality of people's life. People are attaching more importance to fitness and healthcare. Liyang City Double Horse Plastic Textile Company Limited seized the opportunity to establish a professional team, lean advanced technologies and experience. be committed to research and development of a new product, and succeeded in developing 8 types of floor mat and anti-fatigue mat in PVC and PU series. PU, semi-PU, full-size textiling, semi-size textiling, burlap, fine linen, flannelity, paint color embossing, digital printing, industrial anti-fatigue mat, and the performance indicators of a product reach European and American quality standards. Industrialization driven by scientific research promotes the development of the advanced products in the world vigorously, with major customers such as Wal-mart, Target, Kmart, Lidl, GAM, Venture, etc. The 2 subordinates of Liyang City Double Horse Plastic Textile Company Limited are Jinyuan Jiangsu New Material Company Limited and Liyang City Kangbo Sports Products Company Limited, which are committed to developing and producing homogeneous PVC floor with an annual sales revenue of $35 million. Strict management and qualified products contribute to the good reputation of the company in the market and provide access to many domestic major engineering products, such as Hangzhou State Grid Program and Liyang First People's Hospital Program, as well as opportunities in developing international markets. The company participates in domestic and foreign professional floor exhibitions annually, such as Shanghai Domotex Expo, services in Las Vegas of the US, and Hanover Domotex, etc. Enterprise Outlook. Liyang City Double Horse Plastic Textile Company Limited is marching towards the goal of being the largest and leading company in China and industry. It is adhering to its principle of look ahead and be innovative in development, emphasizing investment and management in product research, production and manufacturing, store and logistics, and market regulation, enhancing research and development business, and fulfilling greater brand responsibility and mission. We are looking forward to your calls and letters for business. Let's work together for a bright future. Let's work together for a bright future.